Did you know that two of the most important minerals in your body, iron and calcium, might not always work well together? Today, we're diving deep into the science of iron versus calcium, whether they can go together, and what studies say about the right way to balance them in your diet. Why iron and calcium matter. Iron is crucial for making hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Without enough iron, fatigue and anemia can set in. Calcium, on the other hand, is the foundation of strong bones and teeth, while also supporting muscle contraction and nerve signaling. So both minerals are essential, but the question is, do they compete with each other? The interactions. Several studies have found that calcium can interfere with iron absorption. For example, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that calcium, whether from dairy products or supplements, can reduce both heme iron from animal sources and non-heme iron from plant sources absorption. One proposed mechanism is that calcium competes with iron for absorption in the small intestine. However, scientists also point out that the effect is more significant when calcium is taken in large doses at the same time as iron. Short-term versus long-term impact. Here's the interesting part. While short-term studies show reduced iron absorption, long-term studies are less conclusive. A review in the British Journal of Nutrition suggested that, over time, the body adapts and the impact on iron status might not be as severe as once thought. So, should you worry? If you're generally healthy and eating a balanced diet, occasional overlap of calcium and iron probably won't cause harm. But if you're at risk for anemia, you might need to be more careful. Practical tips. Timing matters. If you're taking an iron supplement, avoid pairing it with high-calcium foods like milk, cheese, or yogurt. Instead, take it with water or with a source of vitamin C, which boosts iron absorption. Separate supplements. If you take both calcium and iron supplements, try spacing them at least 2 hours apart. Balance from food. Whole meals naturally contain a mix of nutrients, and your body is designed to handle that. The bigger concern is with concentrated supplements. Special groups, women, children, and athletes are more vulnerable to iron deficiency, so timing of calcium intake is especially important in these groups. Final takeaway. Iron and calcium are both vital for your health, but taking them together, especially in supplement form, can reduce how much iron your body absorbs. The good news? With smart timing and a balanced diet, you can get the best of both worlds without missing out on these essential nutrients. So what's your strategy? Do you already separate your iron and calcium intake, or did you just learn something new today? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition insights.